Good morning, good morning, good morning, CG Cruisers. Good morning to you from Quartzite, Arizona. I'm still here. Yep, I'll be here for a while, a good while. Y'all, this winds and all this stuff is perfect for my hair image. You know, Missy Van Hair and I don't care. Well, it continues on, no problem here, no problem whatsoever. You wake up this way and you go through the day this way, and it's okay. It's all me. It's part of my self-image. Ha! Woo! Y'all, my face is red, sunburn, windburn. Look at my hair. I put it in a bun to kind of keep it from blowing all over the place, but it didn't help much at all. Oh my gosh. Woo-wee. This is crazy. This is crazy, y'all. This is crazy. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Compared to the part of the video from this morning when I said, good morning, CG Cruisers, and all that stuff. And about the wind and the messy Van Hair, and I don't care, and Quartzite wind is helping me live up to my my image, the messy Van Hair, and I don't care. Wowzers. This is ridiculous. But I'm not gonna wash it until I leave. Well, not until I leave. No, I'm not gonna wash it until hopefully these really strong winds that has all that dirt up in it subsides at least a little bit. Wow. Oh my gosh. I said to Paperback Nomad, I said, I feel thick. Meaning all that dirt and stuff that was on me, I can just feel it. Just feel it. I can just feel it, y'all. I can just feel it. Yeah, you can just feel it. Romy is like, yeah, he's gonna be a blonde before he leaves. All the dust that's in his hair. Woo-wee. Yeah. Anyway, this is another piece to that video. I was gonna make a short. Maybe not. Of course I could. About 3 minutes now. Maybe I can. Anyways, see you later, CG Cruisers. Bye-bye. To be continued tomorrow.